The coronavirus pandemic continues to hit North Texas harder than any other part of the state. Here's a look at the latest cases being reported so far. Dallas County now has 439 positive cases with 2 more deaths reported today. 9 people total have died from the virus in Dallas County. Denton County has 148 cases with 2 deaths reported. Tarrant County reporting 1 death with 128 cases. 1 death has been reported in Collin County. The total case number there is 130. A DeSoto man and another man in Dallas both died in the hospital from COVID-19. One of the men has been identified as Orlando McDaniel, a well-known North Texas track coach. Fox 4's Stephen Dial spoke to 2 of his former athletes today. He joins us live from his home with more. Stephen.
Blake, those I talked to who knew McDaniel says they knew the coronavirus was a serious issue, but after it impacts someone they personally know, now they look at it with a whole different perspective. Orlando McDaniel was the head coach for the North Texas Cheetahs for several years in coaching in the track community for decades. According to people we talked to, former athletes of his who were coached by McDaniel, they say that he was well known in the track community nationwide. Coaches from colleges and former athletes posted this morning on social media after hearing about his death with complications from COVID-19. It's important to note the health department pointing out the 59-year-old DeSoto man had no known underlying conditions. I talked to 2 students. One is about to start running track on scholarship at Baylor, and the other is currently running on scholarship at the University of Arkansas. Both tell me it's because of Coach Orlando that they are able to live their dream on competing on the collegiate level.
It wasn't just us NTC girls that he made waves throughout the track community, throughout the Dallas area, even outside the Dallas area. I've seen professional track athletes and Olympians posting about him, and I've seen other kids that have grown up in other parts of Dallas posting about him that are also very hurt because he didn't just help us, but if somebody needed a helping hand in track or in any way, then he was there for them. So he made a lot of impressions on a lot of people.
I joined NTC when I was like 6. My older sister started running. So I really just used to get out there and just practice with them. And then one day it just turned into me running. And, I mean, he meant a lot because he's the reason I started running track, started running with his team, and where I am today, being able to get a scholarship and run in college.
McDaniel is from Louisiana, another state that's been hit hard when it comes to coronavirus cases and deaths. Many I spoke to on Facebook that knew him from Louisiana or other states say that his legacy, Blake, will live on through the many runners that he's coached.